In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different head wrap style, how you can achieve it on your head by yourself. Let's get started.
Dead baby. What's up?
Hello people, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. My people, all I need from you is just concentration. This is number one. Number one, we are going to create bow tie. This video is what I call 3-in-1, 3 style. The reason I make this video 3-in-1, in case you don't like the first style, maybe you will like the second style. In case you don't like the second style, maybe you will like the number 3. Number 1, number 3. All you need until just open your eye proper, then you can see what I am doing there. That is the only thing I need from you. See, because if I say let me come and be explaining and explain when the video is just right there, you see the way I did it one. There are many people, they have problem of ear, but the only way they learn is they open their eye, they see the video, and they are just learning. No excuse. Operation, do it yourself. Operation, you can do it. Operation, no excuse. Operation, don't go and spoil the pictures when you get to that event, because if your hair not fine, the picture will spoil. Operation, when you are going to church, no excuse that you cannot tie your hair. Tie. You see this one I'm doing there. This video, the way I do many videos, if I watch some video on my YouTube or Facebook, I just upload and have it on my gallery. I will repeat it again like 50 times before I get what I need. If I were you, watch this video many times. You can even download it and have it so that you use it to learn. Inside these 3 styles, in case you don't consider the one you like, auntie, that is why I have YouTube channel. Go there, brekete. Go choose any style where you like. I believe there is no hairstyle I don't have on my YouTube channel, because I have 400 and something videos on my YouTube channel. My Facebook as well, I have many videos. Though my Facebook, I deleted all my video, almost all my video recently, but we are bringing all the video back gradually again and again. In case you don't see any video for Facebook, go to my YouTube, auntie. It's the same name. I take it everywhere. YouTube, Dead Beauty. Facebook, Dead Beauty. Instagram, Dead Beauty. But my Instagram, I don't have tutorial. I just post picture and short video. Yes, so my people, sorry, my phone just rang. Okay, my Instagram, I don't have tutorial there, but I'm just planning, maybe one of these days, I'll start to do live on Instagram as well. Please, my people, follow me on my Facebook in case you are watching me from YouTube. I have 2 Facebook pages. One is Dead Beauty, which is this name, you know. The other page is Dead Beauty Life, because they always do live on Facebook there. So, and I have a group as well. Join my group. It's Dead Beauty Fans Group. You can post anything you learn there. So that's my group. Join my group. Just write it on your search on Facebook. Dead Beauty Fans Group. I have 2 Facebook. Dead Beauty Life. So now there for the do live on Facebook. We have fun. Go play music. We go dance. So in case you never have to follow me for my Facebook, you dey miss so, because me, I will sit down there. Just they talk. They explain how to apply makeup with explanation. How to do different attire with explanation, auntie. Yes, so this is number 1. Because the reason I'm not explaining, I divide it this way, I divide it that way. At least your teacher cannot do everything for you. That is the reason they see assignments. That is the reason they see test after test, testimony, after test results. All my followers, all I want you people to do what I call concentration. To have the spirit of focus. No need to explain too much. Just open your eye, get it back. This one I be number 1. We want to start number 2 now. Number 2. This number 2 is what I call rose. You can still call it rosemary, or call this style Mary. If you want to have the name, call it Mary or Rose. Or you can just call this style the full name, Rosemary. In case you don't like the first style, this one, the second style, I will want to sew. And these 3 style, they are very easy to tie. You see, the reason I say they are very easy, they don't get that front pleating. Because anything that front pleating, they had. The only thing you just need, just open your eye when you see the way I did it one. This number 2. This number 2, in fact, all this style that is on this video is good for the young people. It's good for the middle age. It's good for the advanced people as well. But the advanced people with this style, where they like this style, not be all those my auntie where they work for NHS, where they all these doctor, nurse, quiet people, the people that like simple thing, people that like simple. All those my auntie will like simple things. They almost like one of these three style. And the people that always tie a tie to church, they must like one of these three style, because one of these three style is good for any occasion. You are going to church, you are going to events. Once your face is packaged, your hair is packaged, auntie, you are ready to go and rock and dance for your God for church. Or if you are going to event and rock your event as well. Try and practice. There is a word I always say, practice make perfect. I remember many years ago, I don't even know how to tie Gele, but I decided one day to start learning. I learn. When I was in Italy, I know how to tie Gele. I have many videos. I even have many celebrants as proof. One auntie do 50th birthday. I was the one that do her makeup and her Gele. One woman do wedding. I was the one that do everything, makeup and Gele, do for the guests as well. But the difference is the setting. When I arrived UK, I do my first training with the lady that helped me when I was coming from Italy. She's a Gele woman and makeup professional, Gele woman and makeup. So she helped me and trained me before I don't know how to do the setting. I go for training. She trained me. But after her training, I keep taking other classes. I have taken more than 10 classes of this Gele on the CISO and makeup. That is how to know the person they want to learn. Learn, practice. I continue to practice. Mannequin head is there. My children, I beg them. This one is number 3. You see, I hit number 2. This is the final. We are going to enter number 3 now. Auntie. Just abandon my voice and just focus what I am doing there. Or if you want to enjoy my voice, enjoy the voice and don't focus on what I'm doing there. Choose. I will prefer you focus on what I am doing there, because what I am saying there, what I'm just gisting now, is part of my story. I use my story to always encourage other women. You can do it. There is no excuse that I can't do it. This is the number 3 style. Maybe this one. This style, you can even do it when you are standing, when you are inside car without mirror. It's very easy. See, I don't want to be explaining the how I divide them. You see, this one is just 30 and 70. 30 is the short one. And the 30 now take time. Then you tie it proper, cover your back when your hair is not nice at the back. If your hair is nice at the back, open it. Tight it, make sure it's very tight. Yes. If you want to learn many styles, I have many different styles on my YouTube channel, as I said before. In case you don't like any of this style. I have rants, I have fun, I have everything. Or go to my Facebook, the new Facebook. If you not find out there, go to the old one. You must see something to learn and how to apply makeup on your face. I titled them episode by episode. They are on my YouTube channel. Episode 1, how to apply makeup on your face with explanation, chronic explanation with big grammar. Those that like grammar. Those people that are waiting for big grammar, go and enjoy all those my big grammar there. It will shock you. You could see grammar. Since na grammar you define. Because many people, they are just looking for big grammar. They cannot concentrate their eye to focus on what I am doing. They are looking for big grammar. See if this place is grammar YouTube. This is Gele makeup YouTube. Okay. You cannot go to prayer YouTube where they pray and looking for makeup products. They know. Every channel have their mission. This is number 3. What you need is you press it, set it to your satisfaction. Yes, so my people, set it. This is the final. Before this video finish, I want to inform you I'm available to travel all over the world in case you have events. I will come and beautify your event for you. Makeup Gele. We do traditional bridal hair, okuku for all tribe. Yes, so my people, try and learn. Your head is the entrance to your body. Your face is the entrance to your head. So you must package. Okay, package and learn. You see, this one is the final of the number 3. This number 3, you can push it to any side you like. Left to right to push on. Thank you, my people. See you on my next video. Don't forget to leave your comment for me. YouTube, please drop your comment and like the button. Press the like. Share to your friends and family and help them as well. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let me put my music. Ciao. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Just call on day. Carry me, they go.